Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. That would mean so much to me. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make papaya salad. All the ingredients are listed down below, so you guys can go check it out. So all the veggies are optional. You can add whatever vegetables you want. Anything crunchy is good. Here we have chopped up cherry tomatoes and green long beans and Thai watermelons, like small round green ones, and lime juice. And you can all mix everything together and make sure you squeeze out the cherry tomatoes so that you can get all the juice out. And the main ingredient is the sauce, which is like fish sauce and brown sugars. You mix it all together until the sugar is dissolved. To make the sugar dissolve faster, you can microwave it for like 20 seconds. It kind of smells, but it'll be worth it at the end. You want to mix it thoroughly, like mix everything together, and you want to add fresh papaya salad in the bowl. So this is optional. You can add rice noodles or fermented crab to give more like rich flavor and salty flavor. And we also added dry shrimp, which is really good with that too. And this is very refreshing, especially in the summertime. And it's so easy to make. When we moved to California, we go to Thai restaurants and we always have to order papaya salad, a side dish. And that's what we eat it with, like fried rice or just regular rice. And this is like delicious. And you can add chilies if you want it spicy. And if you're not sure how much to add, you can taste it after you're done mixing everything and just adjust accordingly your taste. So as you can see, we added rice noodles and fermented crab. You can eat the crab, but we use it. You can eat the crab too, but we use it as give it more flavors. So, oh my god, my mouth is watering. So that's how you make papaya salad. One of my co-workers, she taught me how to do this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, share. See you in my next video. Remember to check down below for more information. Bye.